Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to take you all the way to the state of Uttarakhand. I've chosen a snack recipe from there. We are going to make black lentils, black Urad Dal pakoras. They even add spices to their snacks. These pakoras taste so good because we are going to add garam masala to these pakoras. They make them on all the occasions, family get-togethers, weddings, all the occasions these pakoras are made and enjoyed. So let's go and make the pakoras. Here are the ingredients. I have soaked about 1 cup of black whole urad dal overnight and it has doubled in size. 1 large onion chopped very finely. A bowl full of fresh coriander leaves. Here we have some sesame seeds for coating. Use as required. 2 green chillies finely chopped, you can add more also. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And oil for frying. Now we are going to grind this dal. Soaked dal, I will divide it into 2 portions. Grind it coarsely, adding just very little water, about 1 tablespoon or so. Now dal is ready and ground. Remove it in a bowl. Add salt to taste. Garam masala powder. Onion as much as you like. A good amount of fresh coriander leaves. And green chilies. You can even increase the quantity of green chilies if you like. Now using your hand we have to mix everything together. Remember, if you are just frying immediately, add the salt. Otherwise you skip adding the salt and do it just before frying. Now the mixture is ready. Spread some sesame seeds in a plate. Keep the oil for heating. Once the oil is hot, take a small amount of the mixture on your hand. Grease your palm and place the mixture, flatten it. You can make a hole or just fry it directly, but when you make a hole it fries very nicely and evenly. Coat with some sesame seeds on top, both sides. Now drop it into the hot oil for frying. This way you fry all the urad dal pakoras. Keep checking the temperature, make it low and high so that the pakoras get crispy and nice. Turn them frequently. Now the pakoras are done. You can see that they have a nice and crispy texture. Remove them on a kitchen tissue. These pakoras are a speciality of Uttarakhand. They are made on all the occasions, festive occasions or any weddings in the family. These are a must in the menu there. Now all the pakoras are done. They are nice and crispy on the outside and nice and soft inside. can see. Very tasty. The addition of garam masala is something different. It takes these pakoras to a different level altogether. Usually we don't add garam masala. Now you can serve them with a nice chutney, mint chutney, or any chutney of your choice. But mint chutney goes very well with these. Make and enjoy these pakoras at your tea time. You can garnish them with few coriander leaves so that they look presentable. So friends, hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try. It's really very good. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe. And friends, if you like the recipes, share the videos with your friends. Thank you. You may like to watch these videos also. Check them out.